guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Florence. If you're welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. And in today's video, I honestly don't know. I think it's gonna be a vlog for real. But I am getting my nails done. Let me show you. This is the before. I'm missing a pinky and I took the middle one down. Focus. There we go. I'm getting my nails done and I'm gonna go to a event next week. I don't know if I'm gonna do the event vlog too. But that is it. My outfit for the nail, you can see from here. I have a shirt, bottom. At home, my appointment is at 2:30. It's already 2:30, so I'm gonna go now. But yeah, I'll catch y'all back when I get done my nails. Basically, I am back. I feel way better. I'm telling you, me getting my toes done and my nails done. This is something. But I want to show you my nails. Look at it. It's so cute. We was gonna do neon pink, but then we stuck with I stuck with white because the white was given. And I got my tails, and look at my tails, it's pink now. We was gonna do this color, then I stuck with it. By the way, this toe is broken. Like I showed y'all earlier, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Next up is getting my hair done. Do my edges. I feel like my hair look perfectly fine, but it just need edges done and that's it. But I get my hair done. I'm thinking of doing like dreads. It's so cute. My aunt did it on my cousin. I'm gonna let her. I asked her to do if she can do on my hair, and I gotta find my outfit for the event. Bye. I'll see y'all next week. It's Saturday, so regardless, that's gonna be next week.
The next day.
I'm packaging orders today. Well, I was supposed to package 2 orders, but it's either I think I got it's not scam or I didn't get scam. The person ordered something. But the address is, they just put like 19 and a whole bunch of stars. And then they put weed, stars. Literally, hold on. Their name is not even showing at this point. Look at it. It's a whole, my best friend right there. But it's a whole bunch of stars. Their stuff is just a whole bunch of stars up in there. So I can't ship it. I'm probably going to post on my TikTok and say if anybody ordered from my TikTok shop, like DM me or something. I don't know. This is Ashley, by the way. Don't mind Ashley. Can package is my online store. And it's my discreet comb knife. It's like, oh, Sophie. Well, thank you, Sophie. I'm gonna ship this out real quick. Go to the post office. Also because the post office closes at 5 o'clock, so I have to make sure I make it to the post office before they close. And because the other one I can package is from TikTok shop, and I really wanted to package it for TikTok shop. Like TikTok shop, because I really wanted to do package or order with me from my TikTok shop, but is it the girl didn't put her address, or maybe she thought it was a scam. Her phone number for me to even text. The number she left is like 34. That's it. There was no like there's area code, and then the other half of the numbers is not there. It's not. And I don't think I can ship it because the address does not. Well, on app you look it up on Apple Map, it do, but like, it's showing in Jersey. I think the person probably lives in Alabama, wherever the person lives at. But the address is showing in New Jersey, and I don't think the person lives in New Jersey. Not like I don't believe. Maybe they do, maybe they not. But like I don't want to ship something to someone's house. The app I use is Shopify. I paid $39 a month. It used to be $29. Now it's $39. It was ordered yesterday. The customer doesn't have the name. It doesn't even have time to fulfill by. The channel, I know the channel, but like they pay. It says paid, but I can't fulfill something that I don't know where to ship it. I have to contact the lady about her order because to get her name and all of that. Right, so I don't have to. I want to ship her order at the same time as I'm shipping someone else's order, so she don't be like, oh, like she a scam. I'm not a scammer. I'm printing the packing slip for my order through my printer. This is what she ordered. Alright, I'll fix this. One of them is going to New York, and one of them is going to Alabama. But so I have like a thank you card. It has a discount code for whenever they want to shop the next time. I already put that in here. I'm going to add holographic. They're going to get Jolly Ranchers today. It's all packed up. I am going to drop it off today. Maybe I'll take y'all to drop it off at the post office. This is a scale I use. I bought it from Amazon like 2-3 years ago. Damn, I got to put it in ounces, as y'all can see. And then, let me weigh this first. 3.7, 3.5. I'm using this app called Pirate Ship. I have to cover the information. 10 by 6.5, I think. Yep. No, it's 3.7 ounces. $3.81. We buying. It was a quickie. It was a quickie. That's what we call it nowadays. You call it quickie. But get up. Oh, don't try to play me. I'm all like, I know. Someone. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna get rate. How much is it? My stomach is talking. That means I am starving. I just bought the labels from Paris Ship, and this is a sticky label that's gonna go on it from Rollo. This is my Rollo printer. It don't use ink. It's a printer with no ink. I literally don't use ink at all. We're gonna plug it up to my phone, well, my laptop, via USB. Plug it up, and then I'm gonna print out these labels because why not? I'm gonna get back to you when I'm done. It's the heat, like it's hot up here. I'm telling you, it's hot up here. When I'm done.
The next day.
Alright, hey you guys, I am back.
I know you're not about to record.
I'm not about to record all the videos. Shh.
Because I look a goddamn mess.
I'm not recording. Why'd you think I would have put it on the stand? But I am back. Big forehead. Anywho, I'm back. I'm about to get my hair done for the event. Like I said, I don't know where I left off, but I do know that I said something about the event. My cousin's about to straighten my hair. Hopefully my hair don't get damaged again. Because I think it's been a year since I stopped straightening my hair. I only straightened one time. That's when we went to the hair cuttery. That's on one time. But we're about to get my hair. I'm gonna show you. Let me show you guys a picture or the video of what we're trying to do.
I drink water all day.
We do something like that, like a Barbie ponytail. 12 actually,
12.
in the morning. So ain't no point. I'm gonna like come back with an end result. But this is what we're starting with. This is my natural hair as usual. I'm back. We have combed the roots. We're really not gonna find hair in the hair. My roots is going back. Yo, I'm losing edges on some roots though. I have a bald spot. We're gonna do like the swoop and then I'm just gonna keep you guys updated as we go, just cause I'm really not recording that much, but I am trying to get all the videos in. Yo, like a whole hour. Alright. Update. It's left for the ponytail, that's it, and then we're done. It's 1:34. No, 32. I'm gonna call you back. Bye.
Later.
Doing too much. Anywho, I'm back. Don't mind this one. I'm back with my sister. We're about to take the trip to the event, Atlantic City, like I told y'all. Yo, I finished my hair like 2 o'clock in the morning, but the curl didn't stay. The swoop didn't stay. It's okay. I still got a scarf on. When I go to the hotel, I'm gonna fix it up, but I don't want to take it because it's too hot outside. And next thing you know, the whole entire thing. I was just keeping you guys updated because I said I was gonna keep you updated. It's hot. We gotta move. I'll call you back later. Well, I'll call you back. Damn. But we at the how many minutes? 20 minutes from our destination. We are at a toll, yes, and it's bro. Look at it. It's hella cars, bro. Hella. Like it's. There's an update. My nephew still knocked the F out. Which I have a cloth on my. Look at it. Because it's hot and the sun is just beaming at me. It's like beaming at me. Just me though. Because her side is not even that hot. Look at it. It's just straight up on me like that.
So shit, this is the middle lane. You just made us come here for no reason.
It's still the middle lane. Bro, it's 3 one of them says cash and then it says easy pass cash. It's 3 of them. We're back. We made it to Atlantic City. I missed something.
So let's go past this way?
Yes. And then the
Pirates,
next one.
South Park.
Are you gonna do South Park? Is that one? The turn right there. Are you finna get to the end? Well, let's figure out where we're going. Where my white? We made it to the room. I give you a room tour, but it's like so early. I can't even see them. That's all it is to the room at this point. That's our view, and I look dark, but we at the pier. We like literally getting food now, right now. Getting food. I don't know their name. Yeah, guys. Well, first of all, I have one complaint to do. The room does not have no light. Yes, but I'm using the light that I bought from Amazon. I'm gonna get ready now. Don't mind I'm pretty hair. Nobody's gonna see that. I bought this outfit for my birthday trip. I never even wore it. Wearing that, I'm gonna show you how it look like. And then these heels. It's either this one or another one. We're just gonna see how it comes out together. But we're just gonna get ready. I'm gonna put an outfit on, like change out this, and I'll put an outfit on and come back, and then continue from there. I put the dress on, but it's looking like my bra has to be a dub. It's like showing right here, but this is how the dress look like. My friends actually wear this color, so I'm gonna wear this color. And it kind of reminds my shoes a little bit, just a little lighter. I fixed the outfit. I know y'all tired of seeing this bonnet. It's just y'all want to see the hair, But like I said, stay tuned. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna turn you around so you can do my hair as we should. Cause my sister is hogging the bathroom. Let's see if the hair hold it. If it didn't hold, it's giving. I'll fix it. And it's somewhere, just in case I need them. I need to put it on tonight. My hair gotta last at least 4 days, which means it has to last tomorrow and Monday. And I have a red one of these outfits. I don't know whichever one I'm wearing. This one. They still gotta do the buffet and all of those, you know. Then do we find this? Are we sitting the VIP? Or we sitting the regular people stuff? I'm just asking. Ooh, I have 3 on, right? Or 3 is out. Don't mind the edge. We're gonna fix the edge, but this is what we're working with. I'm gonna fix the edges right quick and come back and. I don't think this ponytail is gonna make it today. It's not gonna give the way I want it to give, but it's okay. It's okay because we're gonna work with it regardless of not. We're supposed to do a Barbie ponytail, but it's giving very much curly back swoop, which is fine with me. Put them in place. Just gonna do some edges and that's it. I'm gonna put this shoe on. I'm gonna get like a whole. Alright. So this is the final fit. We're gonna lotion. This is the heels. My toes is pink. My hands is white. Don't ask. Just don't. This is the hair. It's giving very much Barbie. Anywho. Like, bro, tell me how the closet has light, but the room don't have light. It's just not clicking with me. I ain't booking my shoes, so understand? Alright. Let me get ready, do my edges, fix the edges, brush my teeth, and then I'll show y'all the venue as we go. Alright, bye. Y'all, I'm done. I changed my shoes because it was making it look too tall. Taking this purse with me, not because I need a purse, I just need to put stuff in there. I'm gonna put some. We gotta smell good tonight because ain't no stinky people out there. I almost broke my hair. I made it. We made it here. It looks so beautiful. I think I might join next year. But again, huge on the thing. That's how I can zoom you. Maybe next year I might join. Maybe. I'll be contesting the Infinity. That's all. That's all period. Some girl showed up and I didn't record. I forgot. She was a little extra. Her mom is dead. This you guys know.
The beauty of the sons who women and kill our husbands, our men, our sons. One day, there will be giants.
Edna, step forward. If you don't, step forward. Sharon, step forward. And Cynthia, step forward. Do I invite people out there?
Yeah.
Put your hands. Are falling off right now. Contestant number 10, Rashida, is the second. The first one out.
Woohoo!
And the winner!
The winner for tonight was able to pull about 7,695 votes.
Hey.
7,695 votes. The first runner-up also came out with 3,552 votes. The second runner-up came out with 1,573 votes. Ladies and gentlemen, if you permit me,
Hold on.
Allow me to announce the winner for Ambuza USA. The winner goes to
I'm back. Well, I've been back. Hey Google, what time is it?
6:30 p.m.
I've been back like 2-3-ish, and we went to the person that does the event, the main, like the host of the event house for like 3 or 4 hours. and we just got back home. And I want to close out this video, but I want to say is that this was a fun experience. It's always nice to go, as I should be going. And maybe, huge on the maybe, I might join next year. And when I do join, vote, because that's how, well, one of the ways I can win. Peace out. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I promise you, I'm gonna edit my videos and post them. It's just taking me so long because Apple wanna mess me over. But like, I'm here. Bye.